Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Now what we're doing today is I'm going to share with you how to make your tires shine and not have sling. We found some new stuff. We absolutely love it. We've tested it, and it's absolutely amazing. Now if you like your tires to have the more dull satin look, of course you want to use your 3L3, okay? This stuff here is made to go on very thin, and it lasts and lasts, and your tires will shine like you've never seen before. So let's get busy. Now these tires have not been cleaned up, and I'm going to do just a small section so you can kind of get an idea. Then I'm going to share some tires with you that we did weeks ago and how nice they still look with lots of miles on them. All you do is put a light coating on it like this. And it smells really, really good. It smells like grapes. And all you do is just wipe it off your rim. And these rims are really dirty. That's it. That's all you do. And it will stay looking like that for weeks. So if you love the tire shine like this, which I do, I've got to say some people don't like that. I love the tire shine looking like this. It really sets off a nice clean vehicle. But that's all you do like that. It's done. Now let me go and share some tires with you that we did weeks ago. Now on this motorhome, you can see how nice and shiny those tires are. And I think it just sets the whole rig off. Even though the rig's dirty, it still is just a gorgeous looking tire. All right, let's take a look at some really old decrepit tires as a test tire. They're all chewed up right there. But look how beautiful that tire shine is. It's been on there for weeks, and it's just gorgeous. And it's never been cleaned. As you can see, the tire there, up to there where it was treated. So that gives you an idea. Now let's go do a little cleaning on the Secret Elixir. Show you that it not only works on horribly dirty rims like I showed you in the past video, but it also works on clean wheels that just need a good cleaning. Let's go do it. Okay, now you remember this video? You spray it on your tires, you spray it on your rims, all in one mixture. You can see it separating. That's what you want. You just shake it up and it's ready to go. And as I said, you can use this on really bad, horrible rims, or you just want to clean them up for the weekend cruise. You just shake it up. It's got your 3 products in it. And all I do is I'll let that set. Look at this, that it's taken off there. Take my soft brush. And what I'll do with that is I'll spray the brush with some of it because I don't want to wet it down. I don't want to dilute it. And you don't have to do this, but I just really want to make sure they're clean really good and I don't have to do it again. But sometimes you have to do it twice. Now we've let that set about 2 minutes, if that. I never shut the video off, so it's still going. But I'm going to share with you what it looks like right after a couple, 2-3 minutes. Look at the shine of that chrome. Now just think if you did that again, and that tire is nice and spotless. But again, this stuff here that we mixed up in our last video, you got to find the video because it's just amazing. It's got everything in one shot, and I'm going to imagine that sometime or another Meguiar's will end up putting the 3 together. And then I'll use our new Meguiar's tire shine on this after it dries. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at that tire. That rim is just shining in the sun. All right, from that nastiness to that gorgeousness. Is that awesome or what?